Now we are going to learn about comments, variables, and data types. So first of all, what is comments? So comments are used to write something which the programmer does not want to execute, and it can be actually used to mark the author name, date, or whatever comment you would add on your code, and you don't want to show this code or this text with the visitor. So there is a two type of comments that can be used on Python. So there is one called single line comments and other is multi-line comments. Single line comments to multi-line comments. So what is single line comments? As you can see that this text is gray, and which means if I remove this hashtag from here, then it will show something like this, and if I add the hashtag here again, then it will be good, and there is no red underline under this text. So this is called a single line comment, which can be used for your code, or you can use this comment on your every program. So if you have a comment on single line, but if you have a multiple line comment on your program, then you can actually use multi-line comments, which can be like this. To add multi-line comments on your program, then you have to add a triple quotation like this, and after that you can actually write anything inside this triple quotes. So write something about your program. So if I let me show you how this works actually. So as you can see, this code, this text is also gray like this one. So if I run this file, then you'll see there is no text on our terminal, and you can see that there is no output about this text, because we used a single line comment for this and multi-line comment for this. If you want to add multiple line for your program, you can actually type here, but you have to use triple quote, opening triple quote and closing triple quotation for your multi-line comments.